Are you getting an annoying message of Safeway keeps crashing or Safeway not working error on your phone? If so, then this video guide will help you to fix the error easily and you can access it as before. So let's begin. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Restart your phone. The issue can occur on both Android and iPhone, so you are suggested to restart your phone. Some bugs or glitches lead to the Safeway app is not working issue, but restarting does the job. It closes all the apps completely. Method 2. Check network connection. Safeway is an internet-based mobile app, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try to switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. This process will help to fix the issue due to poor internet. Method 3. Clear cache and data of Safeway. Follow the steps. First, open settings on your Android. Now, click on Apps Management and choose Apps. Now, click on Safeway, Storage. Here, tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data option. Method 4. Check network permissions. Follow the steps. First, launch Safeway app on your phone. Now, click on three-line menu. Here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, choose Settings. After that, move down to Permissions. Here, check every options. Method 5. Check and update Safeway app. Follow the steps. First, open Google Play Store on your phone. Now, search for Safeway app. Then, see if any update is available and click on Update. Method 6. Check date and time. It might be the wrong date and time leading to the Safeway app not working error. This is because the wrong date can fail to connect its servers. So you should correct the wrong date. Method 7. Check server status. You should check if there is a downtime or some maintenance work is going on. The simple way to check the current status of the app is by visiting the Up-Down Radar website. Here you will get to know real-time problems. Method 8. Reinstall Safeway app. Steps to follow. First, open App menu on home screen. Long press Safeway app. Here, a pop-up menu occurs. Choose Uninstall option. Now, open Google Play Store. Search for Safeway app and tap on Install option. Method 9. Use Safeway app on another device. Maybe your phone is facing some problem in opening the app, so you should launch the app on another phone. This will help you to identify whether the error is related to the app or the device. Method 10. Contact Safeway support. At last, when the error continues even after trying all the above solutions, then it's time to take help from Safeway customer support. You can reach them through different ways like email, chat, or call.